How we going, everyone? Welcome back to the Tough Collective YouTube channel. I'm here with Dan.
Hello, everyone.
He has spent the night dismantling his Commodore. As you can see, the bumper's off, and of course, look at that, where'd the engine go? Oh look, it's in the back of the car. So she's been loaded into the back of the ute, and we're gonna go take him down to Reese at RKgarage.
For him to rebuild again.
So he's loaded her into the back of the ute. The lid is currently off, sitting on the dyno. We're gonna go take it down to Reese at RKgarage and fix it hopefully. Again.
For the 6th time in 2 years.
For the 6th time. Well, look at this. Look at how cool it looks. The engine just sitting in the back, the turbo looking insanely fat. Look at the fitment. So obviously now it's got some weight in the back of it, which has dropped the back a little bit. Holy shit. I kind of want to go lower.
We can go lower.
I kind of want bags. I think she needs to sit like this moving forward, except, yeah, money. If there's any bag companies out there that want to bag this one, bag that one, bag the Falcon, the other Falcon, bag all the cars.
Bag the Crown.
Bag the Crown, hit us up. We have cars to bag and people that want to see it. Especially me, I want to see it. But coming back to this, look at how cool this looks without a bumper. It actually looks very race car.
It is a race car, man.
Very race car. I love the uneven silicon hoses, very tough.
That's the fabricator's fault. He ran out of pipe.
Ran out of pipe. Why didn't you just go like overlapping just so it kind of matches? That looks so wrong. That means there's nothing there.
Because I ran out of silicon and he ran out of pipe, so we just did what we had to. Don't judge me, man.
But look at that, she's empty. She was turbo Ecotec, now she's just 4L60E. It's just staring. So is Reese making any upgrades or is it just kind of getting fixed?
Putting a L67 bottom end in it, and then we're doing LS coils and Mac valve so we can control the boost on the fly.
Wow, so it doesn't just run 40 PSI all the time.
It's only supposed to run 40.
All the boost. So is she going to be making more power?
We'll turn it up.
So what are we hoping for?
600.
600 out of a fucking Ecotec.
We'll see.
I reckon 300.
I'll cry if it's 300.
No, we'll see how she goes. Wait, what the f is this? Stickers? Whoa, would you look at that? We've got boosted eye-blown trannies, Ecotec the fucking world, and Lumpstick, all very applicable to this build. Perfect for birthdays, perfect for gifts, prank your mates, we don't care. Links in the bio, you know what to do. She's all tied down, all ready to go. She is not going anywhere. You reckon Reese is excited to see us?
Definitely not. I think he's sick of us.
I think he loves you, man. He loves working on your engine so much.
Yeah, sure.
Dan, what the f is the Roach Coach doing with a Victoria plate?
That's how bad Victorians are at driving, they get lost.
They're lost, they're stuck in WA. Mate, go home! James Mower! Tessera! Yilong Ma! Daniel! Ford Falcon. I can't see it anymore. Whoa! Race car! What are your thoughts?
That's some Final Destination looking on the back.
Bro, I'm waiting for those pipes to just come off and impale the crossfire. Holy he's impatient, he's waiting. He's making his move. Can we not be behind this truck, please?
I'm trying not to.
Bro, Bro, they're gonna come off and they're gonna impale the car. Too short. They're calling us short. Shams Jaguars! You know what my favourite thing is, Daniel? When people are in the right lane, going 20 k's under the f***ing limit!
We're going 25 over.
No, we're not. We have arrived. Hello, Reese.
Hello.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Are you excited to work on your favourite engine again?
Always.
And just like that, she's made it here all in one piece.
A loose bolt wouldn't make it knock, but I'm wondering if it's actually... Oh, no, it is. Look at that.
What happened?
It's just his balancer. I changed the motor for no reason.
So this whole time it's just been the balancer.
Yep.
Look at that.
Nice tear right there.
Wow. Well, look, better you get the better bottom end in now and then...
Yeah, turn it up.
Turn it up.
Turn it up.
Turn it up. Hey Reese, it looks like you drink, you like, I think you like Bush Chook.
Yeah, Bush Chook's the way to go, mate.
So Reese, you want to tell us about this? What's going on here?
This is my drift car. It's a turbo Ecotec.
I'm starting to get the feeling you have a thing for turbo Ecotec. Wow!
Yeah.
Look at that, holy moly.
This is literally all from parts I had lying around.
So it's just a scrap car, really?
Yes.
That's
scrapped up.
impressive.
It has all the spare parts from this car, which is in pieces because I don't have the motor or gearbox at the moment. It's got a billet 4.2 straight guys.
This is the EcoJet, is that right?
It is the Ecotec.
And what was it making previously?
730.
And what's it gonna make soon?
1280.
1280 horsepower from a f***ing Ecotec. Basically a race engine though, right?
Oh yeah, basically a race engine.
Well, I mean,
You still drive it on the street, but race engine.
race car. How much is this one making?
Don't know, I'll have to put it on my dyno. It sounds pretty mean.
Are we starting her up?
Yeah, we'll start. We'll see if it's still got battery.
Whoa! And listen to that, that sounds nuts! Holy shit! Mate, she's lovely! Holy moly! What do you reckon it makes?
480 to 520 on about 16 pounds.
Hell! That sounds nuts!
Yeah, just the bits up, all the spare parts I had.
Damn, why doesn't yours sound like that?
It will do now.
Real soon.
Whoa! And what's this motor you've got going on over there in the corner? Another Ecotec! 2 Ecotecs!
Yeah, Ecotec Central. So this is actually Ecojet's turbo manifolds and Ecojet's new turbo, G45.
Whoa!
So I was just mocking it up on there so I could see what it looks like. Now I got an equal length crossover. Makes it sound a bit like a JZ instead of a Mang, so.
Oh! I'm really keen to see that, 1200 horsepower
Yeah, I'll
out
send
of an Ecotec.
I'll have to send a couple videos of the other car that has the same combo as what I'm going, with what that made, and also what it sounds like with equal length headers.
And what's this? This is the block. This is Dan's.
This is Dan's.
This is Dan's.
This is Dan's. Yeah, L67. It, you know, pistons go up and down.
Wow, this one actually moves.
Yeah, for now. Give it time.
Oh no.
Oh, my luck, it's not going to move for long.
So what happens with the bottom end of this one? Are we going to make a coffee table?
Well, I reckon the bottom end's good. I reckon it was just a balancer, but once I got to move his sump over anyway, so I'll have a look there. Once his head's off, I got to go across on, see if we can find anything there, and maybe for some shits and giggles, I'll remove a few pistons and rods, see if anything was actually cracked.
Yeah, I guess you'll be able to diagnose what's happened after it's all been,
Yeah.
after it has its autopsy.
Yeah, I've got a saw topsy. You know, fresh spinny boy. I'll spin it from here. Whee!
This one moves unlike your other one.
Yeah. Deleting this, going LS coils as well this time, so no more. Well, the DFI's got to stay because of the automatic gearbox, but no more coils there.
Is that so that we can do the two-stepping?
It will do the two-stepping.
I love two-stepping.
Coils.
Coils.
Previous turbo is currently
In the bucket.
in this measuring jug.
Wow, what are you measuring?
Measuring.
How fucked it was.
Yeah, measuring broken turbo.
Wow.
That's the core.
So what happened with that one? That one just seized up from all the other metal fragments? Or?
The bearings actually in it took it out, and all the roller ball bearings were missing on one of the cages.
Oh,
So
shoot.
That's what it would have been.
But that's okay, because this Wuhan war whistle right here, this one spins.
This one spins.
Pulsar are pretty good. I like pulsars. They do sound very good. And this time round, we're going to put a dose pipe on it so it doses. Is that correct?
What?
We need a big shot. Stainless. Yeah, you got plenty. You just throw it in front of the engine. Hot air intake. Are we just pulling these out?
Yep. That one was cooked.
Alright, so Dan's going to take this back and we're going to get Felix to paint it, is that right?
Yeah, we'll fix it, Felix, we'll fix it.
Fix it, Felix will fix it, get it looking nice. Alright, so Reese now has the Ecotec. He's going to do his magic and get it running good. Dan and I are going to go f*** off and have some lunch and leave it in Reese's capable hands. You can join the collective with a banner, tee or hoodie and let everyone know that you're an enthusiast. If you like what you see, head to the link in the description and support the channel and the builds, tough-collective.com.
Alrighty guys, so it's the next day. Spotto and Tough Dan have disappeared. I now have Dan's old motor on a stand, ready to be pulled apart. His new motor, L67 bottom end, ready there. Tool bench is there. Nice ground here to put all the stuff because my workbench currently has too much stuff on it. I can't be bothered pulling it apart, but we're going to time lapse a whole bunch of stuff for you guys and I'll talk when we do some interesting bits. But anyway, we're going to drop the oil in this and unbolt everything, so let's time lapse all that and let's just get after it. So we have Daniel's motor all pulled down right here. All these parts are there. This camshaft still looks good, which is good because we changed the lifters recently thinking it was that. Ended up just being the harmonic balancer like we showed. The motor rocked up here. I don't know if you can see it on camera. You can just see it above my thumbnail right there. When Ecotec and L67 harmonic balancers go, sounds like it's knocking like a bottom end knock, but half the time it's actually the balancer. That bottom end actually looks really good, which is good because that means obviously the motor we chose to put in was good and also my tune was on point, more importantly. Anyway, L67 bottom end, they're ready to go. I've got to get that thing torn down to the same point as that one and then put all his stuff on. So I'm going to tear this one down, prep the block all off camera, got to clean some of his parts as well. I'll do it all off camera, you guys don't need to see that, and then we'll get into it when we're assembling. There'll be a lot of time lapsing. Right, it's time to start assembling it. All right, that's where we're gonna leave it tonight. It is all assembled. I've got a couple wiring things to do with a new coolant temp sensor to go in. I'm going to alter his alternator wiring so it charges better. Looks like he cut a ground off, so I just put a new tower there so we got more room to crimp on because what he left was pretty crap. Everything else is bolted on. The oil drain I'll screw on loosely so it can be adjusted to suit. So that's pretty much all sorted. I've just got to put some new rocker covers on because they're going to have AN fittings in both of them for a catch can. Apart from that, that's where they're leaving it. The next part of the video will either be back to the Tough Boys, I reckon, so I'll see you guys back there.
With the power of time travel, we are back at the warehouse and the engine is back in the car. Reese came and dropped it off last week. Dan's gone ahead and reinstalled it in the car, yet to do the wiring, and yeah, all that's really left now is to finish up some cable-y stuff, get it on the dyno, and see how much it makes. So make sure you stay tuned for that next episode where we chuck it on the dyno. Make sure you don't miss out by hitting that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.